What are the duties of chiller plant operator? A chiller operator is responsible for the operation and maintenance of refrigeration systems, including chillers, compressors and pumps, to ensure efficient operation and correct temperature levels. What are the four main components of a chiller system? Chillers consist of four key components: an evaporator, a compressor, a condenser, and an expansion unit. In addition, every chiller system contains a refrigerant. The process starts with a low-pressure refrigerant entering the evaporator. What is the principle of chiller plant? A chiller works on the principle of vapor compression or vapor absorption. Chillers provide a continuous flow of coolant to the cold side of a process water system at a desired temperature of about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. What is the formula of chiller? Here's an example of the formula in action. Scenario: what size chiller is required to cool 40 GPM from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 58 degrees Fahrenheit? BTU HR is equal to 40 GPM x 60 x 8.33 by 12 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 239,904 BTU HR. What is the full form of AHU? AI Overview. AHU stands for Air Handling Unit. It's a piece of equipment that's part of a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system. AHUs are used to condition and circulate air in 228s, 1:45 p.m., 3 free job at Jamshedpur 5862. How does an AHU work? Collects outside air and room air. Removes dust and other particles. Adjusts the temperature and humidity. Supplies air-conditioned air into rooms through ducts. Removes exhaust air. AHU features. AHUs are usually installed on the roof of buildings. AHUs can be designed for outdoor use and are known as rooftop units, RTUs. AHUs can have a heat-cooling recovery exchanger to save energy and increase capacity. AHUs can have filters to remove dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. AHU versus FCU. AHUs are designed for large-scale air handling, while fan coil units, FCUs, are smaller units for localized temperature control. Kindly listen carefully. If we cross